Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Happy New Year 2022. Today we are, in our last video, we have discussed accounting for incomplete records, make single entry. Today we are going to discuss accounting for incomplete records, pure single entry. Okay, so what I was looking for a question from past papers, and it appeared last in 2006, June 2006. Accounting for incomplete record, pure single entry, but it's part of it's part of syllabus, so we should learn how to attempt mixed single entry and how to attempt pure single entry. Mixed single entry I have already uploaded. Today we are going to discuss pure single entry. So see the question. Here is the question. This question is from June 2006. Question number paper 2. This is June 2006, paper 2. Okay, that means paper 22. Okay. Now, this is the question of John Smith provided the following information. Okay. Now, what is how to identify that this is a question of pure single entry? In mixed single entry, you are always given the bank account, cash at bank T account, always given. Receipt and payment account from bank. In pure single entry, you are just given data of all accounting information for at the start of the year and at the end of the year only. There is no bank account, nothing is given. Getting my point clear? So this is a question of pure single entry. Okay. Now, John Smith provided the following information on 1st May 2005 and 30th April 2006. Okay. Now see required. Required is calculating depreciation. We'll discuss later. Okay. Now, in pure single entry, you will be asked to make a balance sheet, which is called statement of affairs. Okay, statement of affairs. You will ask to make statement of affairs. You see, this is statement of affairs. Okay. Statement of affairs. Okay. Now, this statement of affairs means balance sheet at the start of the year. And again, you will be asked to make a balance sheet, statement of affairs again. Statement of affairs, and you have to make it on 30th April 2006. It means you have to make two balance sheets, initial balance sheet and final balance sheet. Balance sheet at the start of the year, balance sheet at the end of the year. And the comparison of these two balance sheets will provide you the net profit, and you can calculate other working capital or whatever they have asked for. Okay. But in this question, you will definitely be asked to make two balance sheets, initial and final. Now, starting from the first part, which is just given for depreciation. Okay, calculate the depreciation on fixed asset for the year in 30th April 2006. Now, C class. Fixed asset on 30th April 2006 is how much? 44,000. So what we have to do, this is 44,000. Getting my point clear? Now we have to calculate depreciation on fixed assets at the end of the year. So what we have to do, we have to write just what's wrong with that? 44,000 multiply by 25%, and the answer would be how much? 1 44,000 multiplied by 25%, and the answer is 11,000. Okay, so depreciation on non-current assets at the end of the year is 11,000, and you got 2 marks. Easy. Okay, now again we have to make a balance sheet. So what we have to do, we'll give heading over here. Okay. Now take all the assets on first name, fixed asset at cost 36,000, accumulated 38,000. So what I'm taking here, fixed assets at valuation. Fixed fixed over here. Fixed assets at valuation. Okay, how much? Fixed cost is 36,000. Accumulated 18,000 means 18,000 is 36 minus 18. So 18,000 is your fixed asset valuation on cost. 18,000. Okay. Now, current assets 16,000. Okay. Current assets, how much? 16,000. Okay. Now, total assets. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. I removed 16,000. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Now, total assets, how much? 18 plus 16 is equal to 34,000. So, total assets are 34,000. Done? Okay. Now, we'll give the heading liabilities. So, what is the amount? Current liabilities 10,000, long-term liabilities 2,000. Okay. Current liabilities. Current liabilities 10,000. And long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities. Long-term liabilities. Total 12,000 is the liabilities. So if we deduct total assets minus total liabilities, we'll get the amount of capital. See, 34 minus 12. That is 22,000. Okay. So now we have calculated capital over here. Asset minus liabilities will give you capital at start. So we'll write the heading capital. Actually, the aim of making these two balance sheets is to calculate opening or starting and ending capital. So capital at start is how much? 22,000. Okay. Getting my point clear? Okay. I'm sorry. Here we have to write net assets. Net assets here 22,000. So, and capital start is also 22,000. Okay. Done. So this is capital at start. It's very easy. It's not a very difficult question. It's easy question. So now we have made capital at, we have calculated capital at start on 1st May 2005. Okay. Now move to the next page. What they've asked for? Yes, definitely the second balance sheet statement of affairs on. So again, we'll write heading assets. Okay. Now, sorry. Okay. Now, okay. Now, on 30th April, fixed asset is 44,000 and we calculated accumulated depreciation is 11,000. So it means fixed asset valuation is 33,000. 44,000 minus 11,000, that is 33,000. So we'll write over here, fixed assets on valuation is how much? Is 33,000. Getting my point clear? Okay. Now, current assets. Current asset is how much? We are given 15,000. Okay. 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 Something's wrong. Okay. Now, fixed asset 44,000 minus accumulated depreciation 44 minus 11, that's 33. Oh, but the old accumulated is 18,000. So it means valuation, fixed asset valuation is 15,000. Okay, okay. Now current assets 15,000. Okay. Fixed asset valuation 15,000, current assets 15,000. Okay. Okay. Total assets. Total assets 30,000. Okay. Now we'll give the heading liabilities. Liabilities. So current liability is 9,000, long-term liability is 4,000. Okay. Current liabilities is how much? We'll write it in bracket 9,000 and long-term liability is 4,000. Sorry. Sorry, Shri. You know, it's very cold in Karachi. Okay. These days. Okay. Sorry, Shri. So 30,000 minus 9,000 minus 4,000. 17,000 is your net assets. That means your capital is also 17,000. Net assets. Yeah. 17,000. Okay. It means your capital is also 17,000. Okay. Your capital is also 17,000. Okay. Right heading. Capital at end. So this is the prime objective of making these two balance sheets, to calculate capital at start and capital at end, which is equal to net assets. Okay. Now, what we have to calculate now? Now we have to calculate net profit or loss for the year. Okay, now how to calculate profit using these two balance sheets? See. See the equation. Capital. Oh my God, what's happening? I have to delete this. Okay, sorry. Now, how to calculate? Now see the formula. Capital at start. Okay. Now, add drawings. Okay. This is the formula of calculating profit using these equations. Add drawings less capital at, oh, sorry. Actually, this was capital at end. Sorry. Okay. Here we write capital at start. Okay, less additional investment. Okay. Now, capital at end, we have calculated $17,000. Okay, $17,000. Okay, we have to add drawings. So we have to see the question, what is the amount of drawings? 8,000 drawings during the year. Okay, so we have to add 8,000. 8,000 for drawings. Less capital start, we have calculated capital start how much? Capital was start was calculated how much? That was 22,000. Okay. Okay. Now capital start is how much? 22,000. In this question, additional investment is 0. So all my beloved students should know that additional investment sometimes is given in the question. It's part of your answer. So it's going to be deducted over here. Okay. Getting my point here? We have to deduct. Okay. Now, after that, we'll get the answers 817 plus 825 minus 22, 3,000. So 3,000 is your net profit. Getting my point here? This is how we use pure single entry. Net. Got it? Okay. Now calculate the working capital of John's 1st May and 30th April. Working capital calculation of working capital is very easy. Now, working capital at end is working capital and is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Okay, working. This is a formula of working capital. So if we are calculating working capital at start, so so first we calculate at end. So how much is current assets at end? See, current assets at end 15,000. Current liabilities 9. 15 minus 9. So 15,000 minus 9,000 is equal to $6,000. Okay, at start is equal to, okay, what was current asset and current liabilities at start? That was current assets 16,000, current liabilities 10,000. It's the same. 16,000. 16,000 minus 10,000. Working capital is same. Again, that is 6,000. And you got 1 marks. Okay. So today, this video means that you should know how to calculate profit using 2 balance sheets in pure single entry method. Okay, are you getting my point clear? That's why I did this question from June 2006, because now I didn't see this question again after 2006, but even then it's part of syllabus. They can ask anytime, and it is basically an advice to all my beloved students. Please, please, it's a request. Whoever is teaching you, whatever subject you are learning in O levels and A levels, please do complete syllabus. Okay, do not go for important questions. Even if the famous and branded teachers tell you to leave a topic, don't leave a topic. You have to complete the syllabus. Check CI syllabus of the year in which you are appearing, and cross-check or cross-examine your syllabus with the teacher and ask your teacher to complete the syllabus. Do not leave anything, even if you are asked to leave by any branded or famous teachers. This is a humble request. Because what happened this year in O levels, that was July attempt, because in July there were only few students, the students of Pakistan, they have attempted in July, and there was only one component of the paper was taken, and there was a question in maths which has always been left by the teachers. They don't teach, and that was the first question in the paper. So please, it's a humble request. Do not leave any topic in any subject. Wherever you are, whatever you are studying, and whoever is teaching to you, ask your teacher to complete the syllabus. This is a humble request. Okay. Do not leave anything. Okay. So that's all for today, my beloved students. I keep praying for your success in CIE and in your future also. So take care. If you want me to solve something for you, just leave a comment. Inshallah, I'll solve it for you. Okay. So that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.